welcome back to my channel. It's like nighttime out, so I'm just gonna do this. I already put the temper glass screen protector on, but I'm gonna clean my phone. So first, I'm gonna take the case off, and then that. So then we're gonna get the cleaning wipe and this. So we're gonna do some ASMR. I feel like ASMR is so funny.
Blanket and flashlight tomorrow, it says to bring.
Okay. Dad, say hi to the camera, because every time on Fun Friday, all my classmates are going to be watching.
You're going to put that on your, you're going to post that on your page?
Yeah.
Well, when
Wait,
you're done,
are you supposed to use this on your screen?
it's fine. When you're done doing that, let me know. We got to do the prayers.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm cleaning my screen off. Okay, I got that done. And then we're going to use this thing. I'm weird. Okay, we're going to wipe it extra good. We got to get it real into the cracks so it'll break. Just kidding. Yeah, you know I was being sarcastic, right? Okay, I got to real shine the Apple symbol and the iPhone symbol. I'm such a Karen. Use cleaning wipes at all time. Let's see if I can make it. 3, 2, 1, shoot. I was not even close. Oopsies. What did? Can I show you guys something really cool? Oh, darn it, never mind. Can't do it because I have stupid time. Okay, guys. Okay, I think that's good. So we're just gonna do ASMR, but we're not even using it. So let's see if we can make it. If I'm not, I'm too lazy to pick it up. I didn't even get it. Okay. Oh my gosh, everything's falling out. I don't care if you think I'm weird. Just do ASMR. ASMR is the best. And then I'm an ASMR freak. I'm gonna have this at all times. I'm gonna show you guys my background. It's actually a picture of me. My friend was doing photography. I don't even know what it's called. But bye, guys. Oh, darn it. Bye. I hope you guys liked my video and subscribed. And all the boys in my class dislike my videos. So I don't care. Just girls like my videos. Bye, guys.